Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or hide a link to submit an additional response on your Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Google form and select the Settings tab at the top right. And then underneath Settings, you want to expand Presentation. Scrolling down, there should be something that says Show Link to Submit Another Response. Toggle that to the right to enable that or to the left to disable it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that's able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.